Open the Tifants app, and first you have to log in as the owner. So go ahead and type your username and password. After logging in, click on the Add Tifant Hub button. Now in this page, you have to fill the details about your school like school name, phone number, email address, location, etc. At the bottom of the page, you will even have the option to select the type of your school. Now select Next and your school will be added. Now if you tap on the Tifants Hub button, as you can see, my school has been added, and now I can tap on it and add employee. To add an employee, simply click on the Employee button and go to the Add Staff option. Here, you will add the information about your employee, like their name, email address, phone number, their job title, and you can even add their date of joining. After filling up the details, you just have to tap on the Save Details button and your employee will be added in your Tifants account. To activate the account, simply tap on the small green button. The employee will get the username and password in their email address.